Big truck over here. He's having a little powwow.
Yeah. Yeah, what are these guys gonna do?
He's looking around.
You're looking off the left? Yeah, that's where that guy just stopped.
Started that. Just went into his truck.
Okay.
Now he's running off into the field. You see this?
Yep. I got a guy running, throwing a weapon. Smoke him. Over by the other side, he just dropped the weapon. I'm engaging.
Roger that.
Oh, we need one on your line.
You want me to shoot the gun?
Get the guy in the field. Get the guy in the field.
Roger, right there. Clear to engage?
He threw it off in the field. He's running back to his vehicle.
Clear to engage or no?
Stand by. Are you starting to use a weapon? Positive. Get rid of the vehicle. He's at the vehicle. He's getting in the vehicle.
Personnel throwing weapons on the field, running back into the vehicle. Viper 2-4 spotted him. He's going to be engaged this time.
Roger, that's at that same location.
Just south of my location.
If he goes back out there, he goes towards it. Roger, can you work up a crew? See what he does.
Wait one, he'll pass it up.
Now he's running back. What's this other guy doing?
Guys engaging.
6 recon station. You see them with the weapons in their hands?
They
Yes.
ran into the field and they threw it.
Yep, engage. Smoke him.
Roger, they did have the,
And-
saw the weapon in their hand, they threw him down, ran
Meet
back
up.
to their
Roger,
vehicle.
engaging.
Roger.
2-4 currently engaging.
What range do you have?
And Roger.
Had a
Yep.
laser range on him.
Go out of range.
Fuck. Better. Range, auto. Alright, got auto range on it.
Roger.
Yeah, Roger,
Hit him.
engaging. Got him.
Good.
Second one.
Hit the other one. Hit the truck. Go to the right, see if anyone's moved by the truck.
Take the trucks out.
Is there anybody in the truck? Wait for movement.
Not seeing any.
Go ahead and store that. Auto range store. There's
Oh,
another guy underneath.
Move right there.
Good.
Firing.
Hit it.
Target 4. We're going to take the other truck out.
Roger. Wait for movement by the truck.
Movement right there.
Roger.
He's wounded.
Hit him.
Roger, hitting the truck.
Hit the truck in him. Go forward of it and hit him. Roger.
That's it. You come out of field of view.
Roger.
Let me check this again. One more movement there. 4 there.
What do you say, 3?